Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming both devices are on the same Wi-Fi. This is essential because screen mirroring uses local network discovery. Once done, turn on your LG TV's screen share or AirPlay mode so it becomes discoverable. Next, on your Vivo Phone open settings, tap More Connections, then Cast. Do not skip turning on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. You do this early to let the phone scan. If the TV doesn't appear immediately, wait a few seconds and refresh the cast list. Once your phone scanned devices, tap Cast and grant location permission when asked. This lets the phone find nearby displays. Then select the LG TV name exactly as shown on the screen. The phone will initiate a connection. If the TV shows a PIN or pairing code, enter or approve it promptly, because many TVs require confirmation for security. After acceptance, the phone will negotiate resolution and audio routes. Let the connection complete and keep the phone unlocked while the session stabilizes. To finish, confirm audio and display mirror correctly. You can stop casting from the phone's quick settings when done. Make sure battery saver is off and background apps are closed if you see lag. These throttle performance. If things go wrong, reboot the router, LG TV, and Vivo Phone in that order. This clears IP conflicts and service caches. One key troubleshooting tip: switch Wi-Fi bands to 4 GHz versus 5 GHz on your router, because compatibility or interference often causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.